Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Rikar, and in this video I write a code to how to find a factorial of a given number in Python. So you please like and subscribe my channel for more update and more video. Okay, so what is factorial of a number? If I give you a number like 5, so the factorial of the number 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or you can say 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Both are same. Okay, let's start. And here I am using a function because practice more and more in function, that is very good. So let's start. Declare a function def fact of n okay, last n equal to int, because our value in type of integer, so I take int. Ask user to input a number, so input enter a number. Print what you print there. Factorial of n is factorial of n is fact of n. Okay, let's complete the code. If n is less than or equal to 1, so return 1, or else equal to n into fact of n minus 1. Okay, return n. So here this formula n equal to n into fact of n minus 1 is that if you take n equal to 2, so the factorial of 2 equal to 2n into 2 into fact of n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, again fact of 1, again fact of 1 is called again here. So if n less than or equal to 1, yes, 1 equal to 1, so return 1. So n equal to 2 into 1, so factorial of 2 equal to 2. Let's take another example like 5. In first, n equal to 5 into fact of 5 minus 1, 4, fact of 4, again fact of 4 is called fact of 4, and is here 4 less than or equal to 1, no, so else statement is working. So 5 into 4 into fact of 4 minus 1, that is 3, fact of 3, again this function is called. So last factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, that's my code is complete now. Okay, Control S for saving. Check my program code is working or not. python factorial.py, enter a number, let's 6, yes 720, again check 5, yes 120, again check 4, yes 24, again check 3, yes 6, again check 2, yes 2, again check 1, return 1, sorry 1, check factorial of 1 is 1. Yes, this is so simple and easy to understand. Please, if you have any doubt or if you want to tell something, please comment in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.